As you head south from Lisbon, life gets a little slower. Soil changes to sand, the air becomes clearer. You nod as you pass villages with strong traditions and connections to the water and go a little bit further. If Comporta flew the flag for the slow living movement outside of Lisbon, it's in Melides where you take the pace down a little further. Slower living. Here, a large lagoon, pine forest, rice paddies, and meadows meet. And in doing so, peacefulness, tranquility, and pristine nature meet too, all on the edge of the largest stretch of beach in Portugal and the third largest in the world. Clear water and white sands as far as the eye can see. And you are close to the bigger town of Grândola than Comporta too, with its shops, supermarkets, hills, and natural parks, ideal for hiking, mountain biking, and several trekking trails. Find yourself surrounded by a sea of verdant green and one of the greatest sanctuaries of the cork oak forest in the whole of Alentejo. In Melides, natural style and effortless elegance shine in a way that seems designed for purpose. And this could be why the world's elite designers have fallen for its charm. Architect Philip Stark and designer Christian Louboutin both have homes here, with the latter recently opening his first ever hotel here too. High recognition of this area magnetism, one that pulls in a chic crowd searching for pared-back life. Finding a home here can be difficult. Opportunities are few, and ever so discreet, the demand is high. Yet, there are some new opportunities coming, all being strictly kept in line with the beautiful aesthetics of this place.
Nós podemos ir aqui à volta e perguntar aos proprietários das casas aqui em Melides o que é que eles valorizam mais aqui e porque é que vieram até aqui. E eu acho que a resposta vai ser sempre a mesma. Isto é um refúgio da rotina do dia-a-dia e é um sítio onde nós trazemos as pessoas para dentro das nossas casas, para estar, para conviver, para oferecer aquilo que temos de melhor uns aos outros. E acho que é por isso que Melides é tão especial.
When outside your home here, activities in nature combine. Horse riding up and down the beach, fishing for supper, gastronomic samplings at any one of the dozens of local restaurants, or simply appreciating nature. Melides has over 180 species of birds. Melides is all about the slow living lifestyle in its purest form. Make time for yourself and cherish it.